Alright guys, today we're going to be working on a 2019 GMC Denali. You know, it's a bit dirty. Got the wiper stains, water drop stains. It's dusty, you know, all in all it's a dirty truck, you know. So we're going to try out some products, try out some different equipment today and see if we can't make it look like it came out of the factory. So you can see all the stains. You know, the tires are a bit dirty also. This is rag, so I'm not too sure how I'm gonna clean it, but we'll figure it out. Overall, it's not too dirty, but it definitely needs a wash. Being washed, I'm going to be trying a different product today. It's gonna be the Eagle One triple cleaning foam. First time using it, and you guys are gonna see firsthand, you know, how it works. So to start off, the tire is real dirty. You can see that it's browning a bit. That's because of the sun, the UV rays. The wheel is not as dirty, but you can see the brake dust in the back. So we're gonna take care of all of that today. This is gonna be the first step in washing this truck. The tires, you should always start with the tires because they're the dirtiest part. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the next step is Griots Foam Gun. I have it already pre-filled. The next thing is going to be adding the soap. And today I'm going to be using Citrus Washing Gloss by Chemical Guys. I've used this a couple times and it's very good. You know, you add about an ounce. So watch as it turns. That's about good right there. So this is what it looks like before you shake it up and mix it. So let me just get this up. recommended. So mix it up. Try not to get it foaming in there because that's less product that you're going to use. So that's about right. Foam gun. It comes with the snap-on adapter. You know, this pulls back. You just connect it to this little spigot right here. I'll show you guys how it works. And that's it. You know, it just snaps on just like that. That's it, and we're ready to go to work. And look at all that foam. For a foam gun, it does produce a lot of soap and suds, as you can see right here. This was $40, and you can pick it up at AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Advanced Auto Parts. I do highly recommend this product. It does go through the soap pretty quickly because it's not like a foam cannon, but it does give you a lot of suds and soap if you guys like that. I do. I personally like suds. The more soap, the better. So, you know, just take a look. Very good product by Griots Garage. You see all the soap running off. But for the most part, this is a 9 out of 10. I have read a lot of good reviews, and that is what convinced me to get one. And another good review from me. So alright guys, so this is a Griots Foam Gun. Not to be confused with the Griots Foam Cannon. This is a household item. You connect it to your water hose in case you don't have a pressure washer. So we're real simple. You just gotta pull back. Whenever you are gonna use it, you just push in, hear the click, and you're good to go. You can just twist. So you fill this up with water up to the line. It has your measurements. I know it's kind of hard to see, ounces and liters. Put your preferred car shampoo, hook it up to your water hose, and you're ready to go. It's that simple. Very good product. $40, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Walmart. I've had it for about 2-3 months, and I've read a lot of good reviews. I highly recommend it. I give it 2 thumbs up, 5 stars. It does produce a lot of suds, a lot of soap. It is a bit runny because once again it's a foam gun, not a foam cannon. But if you do not have a pressure washer at home, you should consider getting yourself a foam gun. Very easy, very light, probably about a pound, and it does the same job as a foam cannon. And it's just cheaper, you know. It's better. I think it's better. I highly recommend it for those of you guys at home, you know, that are just starting off. This is a very good product, very well made, and it's that simple. Took it off, ready to go. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply it onto my microfiber towel. It's a bit dirty. I did it on the last one. So a couple sprays, and then let's see how it works. Oh well, this looks really good. Very easy to apply, as you just saw. I mean, a couple sprays onto your applicator pad or microfiber towel. Wow. So let me back up so you guys can see that. Look at that. Beautiful.